We all know the struggle. You generate stunning AI video, but it's dead silent. Then you spend hours hunting for stock sound effect. So today I'm walking you through Higgsfield AI's newest update to show you how you can build fully immersive scenes from scratch, sound included. So first off, you need to log into your Higgsfield account and then go straight to video and generate video option. Now in here, you have to start off by selecting the model that you need to generate your video. So by default, it's Kling 3.0. But if you want to change, click on this change button. Here you'll see all the different libraries and the models that are available, including the effects. Like here, it has different transitions, etc. So you can browse these libraries and model lists and choose a model that you find appropriate. Now, once that's done, you can now add in your start frame as well as end frame and describe the transition you want down here. And if you don't want to add any reference images or you don't have any inspiration or start and end frame, then you can simply go ahead, start describing the scene that you want to create. So here's what I'm creating first. A scene set in early 90s jazz club filled with people dressed in vintage suits and background music playing. Once you do that, make sure that your sound is on, it's not off like this. Only then will you get any sound effects in your video. Other than that, one more interesting feature is that you can create multi-shot video, but that's available only for specific models. So let me create a single shot scene first and then I'll show you an example of multi-shot scene as well. Now after you enter in your prompt, here you'll see your selected model and you can set the duration of your video. It can be anywhere from between 1 second to 10 seconds. Apart from that, you also have the option to choose the aspect ratio of your video. Like here we have just 3 options, which is landscape, portrait or square. Lastly, you can control the quality of your video, but make sure if you're choosing the higher quality, it will take longer time. So once all that's done, I'm going to reduce the duration to 5 seconds and here's the credits depend on all these different settings. Now I'm going to generate this and here you'll see the output once it's done processing and check out the result. Did you hear that? The music, the sound of people talking, everything. That is so realistic. And the visuals as well, just perfect. So it didn't just generate a video, it generated the atmosphere that we were looking for. Now for the multi-shot video, you'll have to turn on this toggle right here and now you can describe all the different shots that you want. Like here, the first shot is of an alleyway where it's raining and then you can set the duration of this shot from again 1 to 9 seconds and then you can go ahead add in second shot, describe the scene that you want and likely you can go ahead describe the third shot and so on. So these were the 3 shot prompts that I've added and all of them were of 3 seconds duration and the model was same Kling 3 and I already have that output right here. Let me show it to you. Did you see that? All the different shots with different audio sound effect, yet a seamless connection between all 3 of them. If I'm not wrong, this might even be the future of short film creation. I mean, all you have to do is describe your scenery in short and then set up the duration and it will give you a seamless result every time. Not just that, you can even generate lip syncing videos using Higgsfield's AI. Let's do that now. Go to video again and if you see, you'll find this lip sync studio. Now again, first things first, you'll have to select a model. So I'm using the Higgsfield Speak 2.0. Now you'll have to upload an image of the character that you want to create the video for. So I've uploaded this image. Now you can either generate the speech or upload the audio itself. So if you want to generate the speech, you'll have to start writing the script over here and then select a voice from this. Like right now, it's this voice right here. Click on this pencil icon and then you can search for any voice that you want. To filter out your voices, you have a few categories over here like emotions, coaching, reporter, beauty, professional, etc. And once you filter them out, you can actually preview them by clicking on this button right here.
Okay, so basically what our business does, changing the world.
So you can explore all the voices and select the one that fits appropriately to the character that you have just uploaded the image for. Once you have selected your voice, all you have to do is click on this button, which is the voice card, and it will be added. Other than that, if you want to add in any background or ambient sound, you can click on this sound option and then choose one of these. So I'm going to skip on that and let's just write a little script that I want that character to say. So I've just added a random script, and if you want to make this more accurate, you can go to these settings and then choose or adjust the settings like speed, stability, similarity, and the style. And once you do that, click on generate and your audio will be generated. By mistake, I generated it twice. Now select the audio and then you can go ahead and describe the scene that you want with the character. So here I've described the scene, which is a cinematic close-up with a few background details and etc. Now here you can choose the model which we have already done and select the quality of your video. Now I'm going to generate this and check out this result.
Two men just walked in, and they aren't here for the music.
Well, that's literally perfect lip syncing with the audio. Lastly, to actually download these videos, you have to click on this download button, or if you want, you can even reuse these prompts again by clicking on this copy button, which will copy the prompt that was used right in your video creation prompt option. So that was it. That's how you create not only visually good videos but also add sound effects which won't be a problem for later.